What's going on, everyone? It's Rick from Gardening with Barchuckin. This is a quick check-in on the worm bin to see how everybody's making out with the watermelon and the lettuce feeding. Wow, that's awesome. Everything's all gone. Well, I'll put you on the tripod and give them another quick feeding. Okay, so I fed over here. Now I'm going to kind of turn this and then feed over this way. I'm going to add another handful of the dry bedding because all I have right now is some more watermelon. That's actually frozen. So, unsalted ground peanut shells, a little bit of sand from the old pool area, and ground up eggshells. Go ahead, cover everybody back up. Coffee filter back on top. And the bubble wrap. Well, I was super happy to see how well they did with the watermelon. It basically was all going with all the lettuce. I may do a check-in on this a little sooner for next week. I'm not sure yet. But I did look last week at this bin on, I'll say I looked at it on Sunday, and the watermelon was still in here. So from Sunday to today, Wednesday, it all broke down. So whether the worms broke it all down, some bacteria broke it down, I don't know. So I'm going to check on this a little sooner this time and kind of see how it's looking. Well, thank you all for watching. Have a great day.